Morning YouTube, friends and family. Welcome to Thursday. I have 2 office days in a row in which I can catch up on some reporting for my energy auditing that I've done recently and put the finishing touches on sort of restructuring, you know, the office component of my business, meaning, who dug that? Skunks dig holes like that. You know, I need to sort of change my insurance, finalize my phone lines, and contact the bank for some bank type stuff. So that's on my agenda right now. And I am also going to bike to town today to pick up my car. So I'll get to go for, you know, a good 10, 12 mile bike ride. Somebody must be out of food. Thanks for coming with me on my day. I've just been updating my Facebook page for the company, Sustainable Structures on Facebook. Alright, here's the deal. I think it's probably about 11 miles. North on my road, west on this road to Pittston along the Kennebec River, and then north through Randolph, across the bridge, north through Farmingdale, and then up to Hollowell, which is behind here. So yeah, I think that's probably like 8 miles, 9 miles, 10 miles. I don't know. I'll have to figure it out, but I hope I still have enough time to get there. I'm supposed to be there for a noon meeting, and I have to pick up my car before that. I'm kind of bummed out that I don't have my GoPro with me, because that is a really great action camera, but I'll just make do with this and hopefully not crash. I forgot the tape for my pants. If you've done much biking in the past, you'll know why I put that tape on my ankle. Well, I'll tell you if you haven't. It's because your pants will get caught in between your chain and your sprocket and rip your pants or create a hazardous situation. So it's really best just to wear shorts or tie back that pant leg. Forgot my helmet. Now I'm definitely running late. It's 11:05. I'm pulling out of the driveway. Whew. Just finished my first series uphill. Gotta remember to pull on the upstroke as much as push on the downstroke to get the full benefit of your leg energy and muscle mass. All right, might not be halfway through, maybe a third of the way through. Just had to stop, take a breather, let the legs rest for a second, and then get back on it. Takes a little pressure off. I'm on what's called the rail trail right now. This is right alongside an old rail bed, and this trail goes all the way from Gardner to Augusta. So I'll be able to take this trail all the way to my destination. I think I might make this. I might be able to get there in time. Bike on your left. Hello. Sure. I'm approaching Hollowell now. I have another 5-6 minutes on the bike here, and then hop right into my car, head to my old office manager's house, pick up the computer, office computer, and hang out with her for a bit, and head home. I'm here. I made it. Check the time. I think I did pretty well. I left at 5 minutes past 11. It's 5 minutes before 12, so that was a solid 50 minutes. I'll plug in the mileage of my GPS and see how much distance this was. Oh, my legs are jelly. All right, I just checked the GPS on my phone. The bike ride that I did from home here to Hollowell was 12 miles. And I did it in 50 minutes, 50, which means that I was going an average of 14.5 miles per hour. That's not bad. There's a lot of hills. And, you know, that's a good average, I think. Especially considering I was on a mountain bike and not a road bike. Emmett and Zephyr invited two friends over for the afternoon. They'll all go off to soccer practice, and I think one of them might be coming back to spend the night. We feed all of our broccoli stems, all of our kale stems, basically anything that's green and can be chopped up. The ducks, they love it. They just gobble it up in the water. It's just like the best treat for them. And it's good, it's healthy for them, you know, there's calcium in a lot of that stuff, so it helps strengthen their eggs and gives them some much needed vitamins I'm sure they don't get in their dry food. Hey, things are really picking up at work. I just scheduled 2 more energy audits today. So my schedule is starting to fill out. My goal is, if I could have 3 energy audits per week, I could have all the business that I need. I will need to get some labor jobs to make some good coin though at some point. Anyway, for those of you that have not told me yet your city and country that you live in, please tell me so that I can put a pin on my Scriber map, which is what I'm calling my subscriber map, to represent your subscription on my vlog. Anyway, thanks for coming with me on my day, and oh, I might have missed the sunset. Let's see if I can get up there and get the last few shreds of daylight.